is Achilles A. Olarte. This is my short retelling story of the story Winnie and her 3 wishes. One night, Winnie looked at the stars and made a wish. She went to the Wonderland where a fairy told her she had 3 wishes. First, Winnie wished to ride a watermelon wagon. Second, she wished to play with Princess Walling Walling. Third, she wished to ride a moonboat to see the world from the skies. It became cold and windy. Winnie felt scared. Then her mother woke her up. Winnie learned it was just a dream. Thank you everyone for listening and watching. Bye!